welcome to my channel Paribo Vlogs, and today I have got you a huge collection of shower gels from the Bath & Body Works. So stay tuned. So guys, visiting their store is an amazing experience in itself. As you can see, they have a lot of offers going on right now, 60% off, 70% off, and look at these candles. These are so good. You know what all flavors they have? They have like marshmallow, chocolate, peach, all that amazing flavors that pop in your mind when you think about a candle. Then you can see hand soaps are like 50% off, and again candles and hand soaps. Everywhere you will see a lot of discounts going on. So this particular section that I'm showing you right now is my favorite because you have this amazing strawberry flavor, chocolate flavor, cherry flavor, all those amazing sweet flavors in here, and I must say you should just buy something from here. It's gonna pamper yourself a lot. Now moving to the gifting side, you can see there are a lot of amazing options. They have this hampers which has a lot of good collection of shower gels, and this one is the man's collection. You guys should check out their men's collection as well. Amazing, very nice. So for people who loves aromatherapy, you have options here. For people who love more of these flower kind of smells like hibiscus and rose and petal, you will get that as well. So you know, anything that comes in your mind, any smell that you love in the nature, I think you will find it here. Now guys, let's see what have we purchased. So guys, the first body shower that we are going to talk about is the teakwood one. As you can see, it's almost over, and this has been used by Amit. I can just tell you guys that he loved it. You can see he never finishes the entire bottle. He always needs new bottles and before he finishes the first one, but in this case he has already finished this bottle completely, and now he's using another one that I'm going to tell you. But this one is really great. If I talk to you about the smell of this one is very masculine. So you see these perfumes, these manly perfumes that you get, it has that kind of a smell. Plus, one good thing about their men's collection is a few of their men's collection products, especially this shower gel. It is basically having these 2-in-1 kind of properties. So in this shower gel, this can be used for the hair and the face and the body as well. So this one amazing, a little milder version I must say, because the other collection of the men's shower gel they have are basically more loud in terms of smell. This one is a little mild, not too much, not too less. So I would surely recommend this to all the guys out there. If you are looking for some real good shower gels, you can just go with this one. So guys, another one, of course, let's first cover the men's section and then we can go with the female section. So now the second one that he is just got his hands on is this Atlanta, and this one is again the 3-in-1 hair, face and body shower gel. And I can tell you guys, with the packaging and everything, it's similar to the teakwood. I guess it's from their same kind of a collection. So this one is also having the typical finish of the shower gel, and this one smells a little soothing, you know, like you get that soothing smell out of it. Both of them have the similar core ingredient, and that core ingredient is vitamin E, shea butter and aloe vera. So they claim that they not only wash the body but also condition it. So I think that's perfect, and especially if you are that kind of a person, like I am specifically that kind of a person who believes that shower gel should clean your body and makes you smell good and refreshing. So Amit loves these products, and I think he's gonna continue using these products. Initially we were using Body Shop products, Body Shop shower gel. If you compare the Body Shop shower gels with the Bath & Body Works, I can just tell you one thing guys, that the price is 3 times higher. Like this is 3 times more expensive than the Body Shop one. Body Shop one, you will get one shower gel in like 350 or 49 rupees, but this ones are pretty expensive. Without discount you will get this in 1299, and with discounts, because there are some of the other discounts that are there in the store always, you will probably get them at a lesser price, sometimes 50% off, sometimes 20% off, sometimes you will get buy two get one free, but far more expensive than the Body Shop ones. But men's section, I have these two really good ones which Amit really loves, and I think he'll keep on using the same brand for his shower gels. So now guys, let's quickly jump to the female products, like no, female products, I don't know what I'm saying. So the first one is that I got my hands on the first ever product that I used from this brand is Indie Stars. So Indie Stars is a little famous range. I think you will get it very easily in Nykaa or other cosmetic online stores. But I would recommend you guys, if you really want to check all of their collections, if you have their store near you, if you're staying in a city where you have their store, their outlet, you could just go and check their store. You will get a lot more amazing range and you will get a lot of options to choose from. So this one is quite easily available. And I've used it, as you can see. So again, it has that typical texture, transparent, basically a transparent texture, and this is a very mild body wash. So if you talk about their different criterias, they have a very bold to mild to really subtle category of, you know, shower gels. So this one comes under the category of very mild one. But believe me, it's amazing for the skin, because when I used it for the first time, I really suddenly saw that there is a softness in my skin, and if you want that subtle smell plus softness, Indie Stars is a very good product for you guys. So again, if you talk about the core ingredient, it is vitamin E, shea butter. Shea butter, I guess almost they're using it in most of their shower gels, and vitamin E in this. So amazing purchase again, guys. Next one that I recently bought, and I'm so much in love with this bottle. Like, I mean, if you are that kind of a person who want to have those luxury bottle kind of a look, this is a very good investment. Not only, like, of course, we don't want to like buy fancy looking products which are not good, but some products which are good altogether, like, you know, packaging, quality and smell and everything, like when we talk about the shower gel. So this one is their champagne toast, and as you can see, it comes in a very, very cute looking bottle. This one is again having the same transparent looking texture, but this smells heavenly. This is like their a little louder version of smell than the one that I am talking about. So this one is amazing in the terms of the smell. I will recommend you guys, if you are that kind of a person who really wants to go in the shower and have a milder to little bolder smell, then you can go with the champagne toast, and it smells like champagne, to be very honest. So again, amazing one. This one basically again costs the same 1299 with discount. Depending on which season you purchase it, you will get a discount. So a very good purchase. Another one is the Salt Water Breeze. So Salt Water Breeze, I love the entire collection that these guys have. The Salt Water Breeze, they have amazing mist as well, body mist. This one is subtle again, but not that subtle. Like if you are taking a shower and coming outside, you will feel the smell for a few hours. This one is that good, and again it is with vitamin E based shower gel. So guys, this one is, so I can tell you guys, this Indie Star and Salt Water Breeze are similar to each other. This one is a little bit more versatile. You can use it, like male and female both can use this particular one, and it smells good. So yeah, you can take this one as well, Salt Water Breeze. And I will recommend you guys to check their other collection from Salt Water Breeze if you are a person who is inclined more to the properties of a particular product, which makes your skin look good and soothe it and probably refresh it, give it a nice glow, nice shine, and probably a good texture. Then this one works wonders for that. So guys, the next product is one of the last two products I've kept, and at the last, because these are my favorite from the entire collection. Because if you guys know me, you guys would know that I am a person who loves these chocolatey, vanilla. Even in my house, you will have these candles around, which are like chocolate candles and vanilla candles, banana candles. I love that smell, you know, that chocolatey kind of a smell. So another one is amazing collection. Looking at the bottle, you would probably feel it's like a jam or something, but this one is a chocolate covered cherry, and it's not just because they have just named it chocolate covered cherry, but it actually smells like it. And if you are using it, you will probably feel like you are literally putting chocolate on your body. So amazing. Like, I just love it. So this one is having a red cherry kind of a color, and it's divine. This last two that I'm gonna show you are the boldest with respect to the smell, and this one is absolutely amazing. I observed that when I'm taking a shower with this one and the last one that I will show you, when I'm using this one, I have observed that I don't need any of the bathroom fresheners, or I don't need any of the external smell in my washrooms. In fact, many of the shower gels that you will use, you will not really need a washroom freshener or a mist or a diffuser inside your washroom anymore, because these particular shower gels, if you use them, the smell is gonna stay there, believe me, at least for couple of hours to go. And especially with these ones, and the last one that I'm gonna show you, it's gonna stay till the next day, believe me. So the chocolate one, that's why I'm telling you, it's the boldest ones out of all these products that I've shown you with respect to the smell, and of course the refreshing and soothing effect it gives you, the after shower effects, because most of the shower gels makes you feel good when you're using it, and the smell vanishes off. Like if you just get dry up yourself, the smell goes away, and you have to probably use perfume on the top of it. But with this one, surely, certainly the smell is going to stay, and it's gonna stay for hours, and you're just gonna love your washroom as well. So this one is amazing. If you get this online, I am really not sure if you're gonna get this, but if you're in a city where they have a store, you're gonna get this, and it's amazing, guys. बहुत ही अच्छा स्मेल है इसका. I'm just in love with this. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे कि मैंने और क्यों नहीं खरीदे. और वैसा ही एक और प्रोडक्ट है, the similar category product is the strawberry pound cake. I know the name sounds like dreamy, it's like straight from the fairy tale kind of a name, and this one is basically their moisturizing body wash. So it's like the body lotion. It's not like what I've showed you, but it's like a cream. So if you have a very dry skin, I would recommend you guys forget about this. You should use their moisturizing body wash, because that is a game changer for you guys. Oh my god, I'm just lost. I'm just lost in the smell. This is one of the best products that I've ever used in my entire life, guys. In my entire life, this is the most amazing game changer body wash that I've ever had my hands on. And it, if you use it in your washroom, you will feel as if you have opened a bakery inside your washroom. Believe me, it is that good. The smell stays in your body like for one day. It happened to me. I used a generous amount of this particular product, not too generous, I must say, but a decent amount, and it stayed on my body without any external lotion, without any external perfume. That smell stayed in my body for a day, and it stayed in my washroom for a day. So I am a person who uses this diffusers also in my washroom, but since the time I have switched to this brand, I am not using any external washroom diffusers, because these are enough. When I'm taking a shower and when I come out, it feels like I have just baked a cake. Strawberry pound cake, actual strawberry pound cake in my washroom. So if you get this, it is usually out of stock on Nykaa, but if you get this, please purchase it. You will thank me later. This is amazing game changer. You will love it. If you are a person who loves that bold fragrances, and if you love to just have that strawberry, chocolatey, if you're like me who loves that kind of fragrances, fruity fragrances, this one is going to be absolute game changer, guys. purchase this. This is amazing, and it moisturizes your skin as well. So it's not just because it has a good smell, I'm just trying to ask you to purchase it, but it will moisturize your skin. You will not need to apply a lotion, that is my guarantee. If you use this as a shower gel, you will not have to apply any lotion, and you don't have to use your washroom diffuser again, and you will smell amazing. You don't have to even use your perfume. So game changer. So guys, this is the collection of the Bath and Body Works for you guys exclusively. I have just bought all these products. I just wanted to make sure they don't get out of stock. I just went to their store and there was a sale also that was going on, and I just got all these products. Just keep an eye on the Nykaa website, or if you are having a store in your city, just go and get your hands on these. So these are the top products that probably you have seen today, and this one is the best one. I will still tell you a million times. So just purchase it, guys, if you get it. So guys, I'm sorry for the random clip in here, but just wanted to tell you guys that I went to the store and again got my strawberry pound cake moisturizing body wash. I just stocked it back in my vanity because you never know, it might just go out of stock. So you know what, you should be prepared, and this is how much I love it. I would recommend you guys to purchase it as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, just like and share and subscribe. Thank you.